Spring is officially here, and upgrading items for your home may be on your to-do list. Bobby Johnson from Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical joins us now with some home improvement ideas. I saw the list. I'm like, I kind of want to do all of these.
It's exciting, huh?
Yes. Okay, so especially now with electrical, you have a lot of items we can do this time of year to really upgrade our home, right?
Yeah, well, this time of year, you know, spring projects, spring cleaning, that kind of thing, we get excited about getting back outside. It's starting to warm up. And so, you know, we've talked before, when it comes to plumbing and heating, cooling stuff, a lot of that has to deal with, that's out of sight, out of mind, and don't have to deal with it until it doesn't work, emergency type of work. But the electrical side of things, especially this time of year, can be super fun. You know, ideas that you have outside, like just to spruce up the deck or the outdoor patio or just the backyard. Brought some pictures to show that, you know, when it comes to electrical work or ideas, you know, some people just need ideas, need some, and they don't know what the options are. So sprucing up the outdoors, it makes it more safe, more fun, more curb appeal, all that kind of thing. So this is an example of uplighting. We were talking about that in the break. So you see how the lights are on the ground and they're shining up through the sky on the house. So this just makes the house feel bigger, warmer, more curb appeal, and it's safety and security really too. You know, these things can be set on timers and dusk till dawn or when you're gone.
What about security? Okay, so there you go. So that's where you're talking about that.
Yeah, security, obviously, motion detectors, lights. We can help with the ideas of these things as well as the installation of them. Now, some of the pretty stuff that you see there, the landscaping, those are other people, but getting you set up to do those things for sure.
And now, if you're a Gold Club member, will someone come out and even just have the discussion with you to talk about ideas you could do?
So that's what we talk about all the time, is that that Gold Club membership just includes everything that we do. So you don't have to have an emergency if you just want to have a conversation. When it comes to electrical stuff, it's just like, what are the options? What are things that I could do? Come look at my house and let's talk about some choices. So that's all part of it.
You also have a picture of a whole home generator.
Yeah, do you know much about these?
I don't. In fact, there's a name on there. What is it called?
So Generac is a brand name, and that's one that we install. So these are gas generators. So they pipe in from your gas meter. It sits outside, usually close to the meter, close to the electrical panel that's inside the house. So it's propelled off gas, runs off gas, so if you lose power to the house, then this turns the power back on. So this is a great example of a house in a neighborhood that's lost power, but they have a generator. So if you live in one of those neighborhoods or maybe in a little bit more rural area, or you just have major appliances and things in your home that you are worried about that happening and losing power to, then this is perfect for you. You'd
be the most popular home on the block for sure if an emergency happens.
You might meet all the neighbors, or at least the ones that you haven't.
Yeah. So we just need a call and we can have someone from Golden Rule come out.
Yeah, happy to come to anybody's house, but we get you signed up on that Gold Club membership. Then you have 12 months of all the service and multiple conversations whenever you need us. But yeah, go online, or which you'll see in a second, or give us a call either way.
Well, Bobby, thanks so much for being here. Yep. And you can find Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical in Grimes off Northeast Main Street. To set up an appointment, just call 888-986-2424 or go to goldenrulephc.com. You can also follow them on Instagram and Facebook. Last call to vote on trivia. It's the fastest selling book of all time, Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, Spare, or the Da Vinci Code. That answer next.